Hey there! Welcome to the third Weight of Armor devlog. I want to show you a lot of exciting stuff today, so let's jump into it. We have a big expansion to the game, 13 new castles to capture in total, including a boss, more info about that in a second. Among those stages, you will find two new types of enemies. The first is a Horseman, who charges at the player with his lance. And the second is a pikeman, who slowly marches towards you with his, you guessed it, pike, and his attacks push you away, potentially knocking you off a platform. You might have noticed that we have some new graphics for the platforms, and we now have support beams, so set platforms don't just float in the air. All of these graphics were made by the real Helium. You can also find a new boss in the game. I have decided to call him the Pale Death. This boss has two separate stages. In the first stage, he just charges at you like the regular Horseman would, although with a considerably larger lance. Once his health drops below 50%, the second stage will begin. In this stage, he still charges at you, however, when he's far away, he will begin shooting arrows at you. Once you defeat this boss, you will unlock the third section of the game, as well as your second knight, Ron the Rascal. Once you activate this knight by pressing the 2 key, he will begin charging, damaging all enemies that stand in his path. On top of these new features, I have also optimized the game, and I added a text at the beginning of each castle explaining what the player must do. The game is also available on my Patreon as early access, so if you wish to support me and want to try this game out, then check my Patreon out, link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then please like and subscribe, since apparently only 8% of you are subscribed. Until next time, goodbye and take care.